So today we're going to draw a rose, like this one. Let's get started. We'll begin with these two main petals. This line will indicate the size of our bud. So let's make it bigger. And then we carefully draw a teardrop-like contour along one side of the area. Now let's move over to the other side of the piece. Make sure to adjust them carefully so that they're more or less exactly the same size and shape as the first ones. Next, carefully draw a straight line starting from the far left side of the screen, then from the right. Now let's draw inside. A little spiral like this. And then carefully add a small, delicate line to the outer sides of this intricate spiral right over here. Here. And connect them to it. And also add one more like this on top. And the back petals like this. Kind of like a bit oval shaped. Alright, let's move on to the stem. We'll have this part somewhere down here like this. This part. Right from the sepal. Draw the thorns just like little triangles. And add the leaves. But let's make them so that they're curved outwards on both sides, like this. Here, and one more at the end. Let's erase our preliminary pencil sketch. However, you should leave the main foundational lines intact, so that we can clearly see exactly which areas we need to outline afterwards. Take a pencil with a higher density and go over the lines. Let's start from the beginning. These are our very first teardrop-shaped lines. Next, the spiral. Then we draw these auxiliary lines. And the back petals we outline and begin carefully outlining the stem. We gradually shade in this specific section, ensuring that we make it quite dark, and move on. To the stalk. We also apply the shading in very evenly across the surface. We carefully sketch the outlines of the thorns, but they should be subtly lighter in color than the main stem. And look at all of our beautiful green leaves. And we already have the leaves here. On this middle one, we add some lines. Just like we usually see on leaves. we carefully add a small handful of additional items. Details here. A little bit in the middle. We darken it in this spiral as well. And now our finished rose is ready.